I come to Azzurro Chords, our daily chord progressions, together with harmony ideas and inspirations for your next track. Let's open our Ableton project and let's get started. So welcome to our new session of Azzurro Chords of the day, and we have here prepared a new house groove as a background inspiration. And let's start with our chord progression. We go to our MIDI wizard and initiate a new progression. So we have a new progression, and this progression is in B minor and is the same as in the D major scale. And we have here the two chords B minor and E minor 7, just the home key, and this is the subdominant key. Yeah, I like to modify this a little bit to have a more interesting progression in today's session. So when I finish this, I come back to the project. So now we got a nice progression in B minor. Let's just listen through. As a standard progression, starting with the B minor, which is our home key, then we have the E minor 7 subdominant key. The D is, let's see, this D is here the home position again, but in a major key. Then we have a sus4. This leads into this A chord. This is the A is the dominant chord, A major chord. And then we go back to our subdominant chord and again a dominant chord in 11. And then the home key, then again an A sus4 chord, and finally the F sharp minor 7 is a dominant chord, and then we go back to our home key B minor. So we will now prepare the MIDI file and also the harmonic pattern in our extra track, and after we finish this I will come back. So we are back here in our project and we prepared our top line and fixed the harmony pattern. So here's the position pattern, starting with the home key and then going to the subdominant, then home and dominant part. Then here we have subdominant part and your dominant home key, and finally the dominant part. So, and let's listen through this. Yeah, this will be our progression for this session today, and next will be our bass line. So we will now play our bass. We will use our MIDI keyboard, and our bass sound is this now from the Unisynth. And let's try to find a bass line for this progression. Yeah, this is an idea for our bass line, and we used also our harmony plugin. We fixed our pattern and played the bass notes. Here you see we have put the first voice of the chords, so the bass follows the chord progression. Now what we would like to do is we will fix this pattern, modify it that it sounds correct, and then I come back. So we fixed this bass pattern, changed some notes and some pitches here, and now listen to it. Okay, this is our bass line, and next we will go to a step pattern. So we prepared our track with the step and play different notes. So simple pattern for the step, and we will fix this, modify this, and then we come back. So we fixed our stop button. You can see it here. We just quantized a little bit, and then also we changed the pitch pattern. Yeah, okay, this is a nice step pattern, and let's now come to a melody. So now we prepared this lead track with this sound, and we will play some melody for this. Okay, that's the idea of the melody, and we will modify it a little bit. When I finish this, I come back. So we have now our melody, and we just quantized this pattern and changed some pitch of the notes, and it sounds like this now. So here there could be some variation. For example, here when you start this pattern, then in this part you could change maybe this pitch here. Maybe this put down. Okay, let's think about this note here. Actually, you could shift these two notes up. Maybe this was better to keep it here. And this note maybe put down. This up. Maybe this higher notes. Okay, this is our melody for this moment, and as a final part we would like to find some pad sound. So we added a pad pattern. This is from the Nexus strings, and we played here some notes, or we inserted these notes here, and this sounds like this. And we are basically already at the end of our today's session. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time to our chords of the day.